back to the channel. You know it's Rush, the Discovery Boss, and it's Rush Raymore Reviews. So we're on Lower South Camp Road. That's where we're at today. If you're new to the channel, first of all, subscribe. Subscribing is free. So just turn that red subscribe button to gray and just join the Rush Raymore Reviews family. So Lower South Camp Road, we'll be going on to Victoria Avenue real shortly, and then from Victoria Avenue we go on ELLESTON Road, Upper ELLESTON Road. So that's where we're driving today. So I've never driven on, well, I've never done a video with you guys on ELLESTON Road. So we're driving from South Camp Road to ELLESTON Road to DEANERY Road. So take a drive with me, and remember to leave your comments. Remember to like the video. Remember to share the video as well, because this channel can never survive without you guys. So really appreciate and love the support, guys. So take a drive with me, and again, leave a comment. And if you're thinking about supporting the channel in a monetary way, we have PayPal and other ways where you can support as well. So Victoria Avenue, then we're on to Upper ELLESTON Road. Stay tuned. Alright, so we take this left onto Upper ELLESTON Road. So we have the infamous Kingston College on the left, famous purple and white. If you're from Kingston College, just leave that in the comment section. So again, we are on Upper ELLESTON Road, heading up to DEANERY Road. On the left we have Alpha Infant School, that's on the left, and we have the Jamaica Public Service Company doing some work here. JPS is the only electrical power supply company in Jamaica. We really need that second option to create some competition. I'm sure probably, you know, everyone that has ever lived in Jamaica or live in Jamaica, you know, has had some issue with JPS. And then this is DEANERY Road, so we'll take the left, and then this will take us back around to South Camp Road. the right turn for South Camp Road. Guys, there you have it. Just a quick drive, you know, lower South Camp Road, upper ELLESTON Road, Deanery Road, then back to South Camp Road. So if you haven't seen some of these areas in a while, you know, if you live overseas, if you probably live in some other parts of Jamaica or even Kingston, you may have not seen these areas for a while. So hope you were able to see some places that, you know, we haven't visited for some time. So again, we always bring in different type of videos on the channel. Sometimes it's a driving video, sometimes it's a property tour, sometimes it's a hotel review, you name it. So we just try to have different content for you guys, so you can always have something to watch. Then to the right we know that's Up Park Camp. They recently got a new gate, new perimeter fence. I have a video on the channel for that, so I'll put it in the description for you guys and in the comment. That's the JDF new gate. Alright guys, remember, leave a comment, share, and thanks for watching.